guys, so again, it's just a quick walkthrough of this development by Issa Construction. Again, check in the comment section. I'll put the link for the first video I did before they reach so much in terms of the renovation. You'll see where it's coming from. This building was a very old, unoccupied, rundown building downtown, and they have completely turned it around. So you guys stay tuned for that. So again, this is some views from the chill area on the building. This will be a chill area for any event. Great views. We have ocean view. Right, so this is one of the buildings that Issa has transformed so far. They have transformed a few others as well. So this is the latest one on their catalog. We have the tenant moving in shortly. So we have basically 3 floors plus the rooftop chill area. This will be the chill area. They'll have a gazebo, they'll have an outside kitchen, outside bathroom, you know, the whole works. So it's still under construction, but they're in their final phase. Most of the major work is finished already. Again guys, it's you really just taking a trip with me downtown Kingston on this project by Issa Construction. They're doing a complete renovation of this facility, and we're getting an in-depth review, an in-depth walkthrough, so you guys can see what's taking place. And also you can check out my previous video to see where it's coming from. It's not yet finished, but they're working on it. So stay tuned, let's take a walkthrough together. Alright, so this is the 3rd floor. We have elevator access on all floors. So they're making all their final touches. Alright, so this will be the office of the CEO. A very big office with views. So again, they're now in their final phase of retrofitting and customizing the space for the client. Alright, so this floor has the bigger offices for the senior management team. Then this is a conference room. And again, I'll put the link for the first video I did on this complex so you guys can see where it's coming from and where it's heading. Every floor has restrooms as well. You also have kitchen area, lunch room. So all these different areas are now being retrofitted. You have stairs on both sides as well. And you have your emergency staircase on the outside. Alright guys, so we are on the 2nd floor. So you have smaller offices. So again, work is still ongoing. You know, AC, which is air conditioning, electrical, plumbing, all that is still going in as we speak. And again, every floor has elevator. They're gonna also have cubicles for persons, you know, taking calls for the company. So you have different sections different floors, different purpose, different layouts. So they're closer to being finished on this floor than the third, which you'll see a bit later. Let's take a look outside. So this is the ground floor. So work is still ongoing. So from the ground floor we'll go to the other floors, then we'll go on the rooftop so you guys can see the view from the roof, from the rooftop terrace chill area. So parts of this floor will be accessible to customers. You also have a customer restroom as well. You'll have a lobby area, receptionist area. So the ground floor will be built out as well. What we'd love to see is when everything is finished, you know, 100% complete, to do a walkthrough, and then we'll see, you know, the difference as well. So we have some fire escape on the outside. Parking as well. Alright guys, so remember, it's a quick walkthrough / review of this commercial development downtown Kingston by Issa Construction, and it's all about the redevelopment and the revitalization of downtown Kingston as well. Share your comments, your thoughts. Remember to subscribe. Subscribing is free, and let me know what you think in the comment section. So downtown Kingston, Issa Construction, revitalization of downtown, rehabilitation of downtown. Let me know what you think.